Okay, so this video will go through question 2. Determine the pH of the following, given that hydronium concentration is A and B. Okay, so A. Hydronium concentration equals 10 to the negative 5 molar. And I want to know pH. Okay, so we've got our formula. pH is negative log of the hydronium ion concentration, which is 10 to the negative 5 here. So pH, if I pop that in the calculator, pH is 5. Okay, so just quickly, the other method that I can use is the hydronium ion concentration equals 10 to the negative pH. So what that means is if my hydronium concentration is in this format of 1 times 10 to the negative something, which it is actually, okay, I can just read from this that the pH will be 5, but it's a little bit more risky kind of doing it that way, but it's good to be aware. We can just sub in the concentration of the hydronium into my formula to get my pH. So let's just do that again for B. So the concentration of hydronium in B is 0.1 molar. So pH equals negative log of my hydronium ion. I'll just write out the formula this time. So pH equals negative log of 0.1 molar. So the pH is 1. If I pop that into my calculator. Now, let's just see how that works with this other formula. So the hydronium ion equals 10 to the negative pH. So at the moment, 0.1 isn't in this format, is it? So 0.1 in that format would look like 1 times 10 to the negative 1. Okay, if I was to move that decimal point back one spot, I'd get 0.1. So this is equivalent. So this could be written as 1 times 10 to the negative 1. And that's my hydronium ion concentration, which has been given to me. And so because this is in this format, I can just see that the pH would equal 1. But like I said, a little bit more risky doing it that way. But good to be aware that that is something we can just read off if the concentration is in 1 times 10 to the negative something. Okay, so that's question 2.